My name is Charlotte Berry-Selwood. I'm the Chief Delivery Officer for AVK, and what I do is oversee all delivery of projects for AVK, who are a power solutions company. So we're a solutions integrator specifically for the data center market, looking at everything from standby power into switchgear power pods and through to microgrids, so behind the meter power.
So what is the priority of AVK in 2026? What are we looking at? What is the focus?
So the focus, I think, for us is really being that trusted partnership for our clients to navigate a changing landscape. So as we've talked about here today and on the panel, the future of energy is shifting drastically. The days of being able to plug and play, put your planning application in, plug in your power into the grid and off you go on your merry way, those are dwindling days. The constraints that we see across Europe are not going anywhere. People being quoted 8 to 10 years for power connections. So how do we keep up with the demand of a global demand? We all want our devices, we all want our, the AI tools and the brilliance that brings. But we all need to be able to build, profitably, at scale and rapidly. So from an energy perspective, how do we navigate that challenge? And for AVK, we have been building that team of specialists. We have been working now for the last 7 years on Europe's first microgrid, which was successfully deployed last year for Pure. So we have been able to start to hone those skills and really support our clients navigating what is new terrain for them, in order to be able to develop their data centers.
So AVK is also evolving its delivery model to ensure that the speed of AI deployment isn't compromising rigorous testing and commissioning standards. How are you doing that?
Well, we don't really have a choice. We still have to meet uptime requirements. End users won't buy into data centers that can't demonstrate resilience. So our commissioning standards still need to meet the ASHRAE standards across the portfolio, and still need to be able to demonstrate that we have got the resilience within our system to keep powering these data centers, to their uptime standards.
So my final question actually is a bit of a curveball compared to this conversation. Okay. But obviously you're working in a very male-dominated field.
Yeah.
And in fact, you're the first woman I've spoken to today.
Well, that's a delight. I'm happy to be the first.
But what do you really think needs to be done in the industry to attract those junior female talent?
So we need to market ourselves. So it's all about marketing. When you switch on your television, you are never going to see a professional, female or male, working in a data center space. Men tend to come into it through maybe more traditional routes, being engineering or sort of working through trades as well. We have to go on a bit of a marketing campaign and show the diverse array of jobs that are available to women within this sector. It is not just purely on the tools. It is not just purely in engineering, though those are both fabulous careers that I have enjoyed. It is also, a massively diverse, all of sustainability and energy solutions, right the way through to, we have a huge dearth in talent. So in terms of, the people teams, the HR teams that we needed to drive this through, there is a massive array of jobs available. So I think first and foremost, we have to get into the schools and tell them about the wonderful career opportunities and very lucrative career opportunities where you can travel the world.